What's up, Crazy Cornbread family? We back with another video. For all our subscribers that are just now coming, welcome. And for the ones that have been here, thank you guys so much for your support. So today they're going to be trying the Little Debbie ice cream, the cosmic brownies, and the Swiss rolls.
Oh, there it is right there. There it is right there.
It's 12:42.
Put it in the camera.
Dad.
Man, look at the camera.
Oh my God.
Oh, y'all look like that.
It's 12:42. It's Saturday.
It don't count.
It don't count.
God said it's still Friday. It's Friday, try-day.
It was supposed to happen on Friday.
Y'all ready?
They by. I knew it.
What's wrong?
It's chocolate. Duh. What you think? You thought it was gonna be vanilla?
Well, chocolate don't do nothing. You at least taste the stuff. You like
Thought it was gonna be vanilla.
It's
Weird, yo.
This is a cream roll. Try the stuff.
It look like it. It look like the cake.
It's gonna taste like regular ice cream.
Why you trying them right now? We trying this one.
Okay, I'm sorry.
They both chocolate?
Come on.
Real. I don't like it. And I like chocolate ice cream.
That's where I get it from.
Which one? This one right here? You want to try it? All right, let you try it. It's a brownie.
I don't too much food, chocolate ice cream like that, but
I fool with this one.
You like that one? You don't like this one?
I ain't tried it yet.
What you mean? You had it in your hand?
he took it off his spoon.
Yeah.
It tastes like the brownie. But see, I love Little Debbie cosmic brownie though. So I knew I was gonna like that.
Let me see the spoon so I can try it. I can't try it? Look at him. Got the spoon.
Come on, hand hold it.
Trying to hold a cosmic brownie.
Dad. You weird.
Boy, I've been raised at all. The brownie tastes a lot better than this one. This Swiss roll tastes trashy.
I already know I don't like the Swiss roll in real life. I knew it was gonna be soft. Just like the middle of that Swiss roll. It's nasty. It's got that cream mixed up in it.
Yeah, it has to be the case.
It's got some Swiss rolls in there though.
Some who?
Some Swiss rolls.
Swiss rolls?
Yeah, nigga.
Yeah, I like this one better. I like this one better than I like that one.
I like them better too.
I can't taste the brownie.
You can't taste the brownie. It's in there. I don't know why you can't taste the brownie.
Get that off right
It
there.
tastes like chocolate ice cream.
There go the brownie. Right there.
It tastes like chocolate ice
It's
cream.
the brownie piece right there.
Daddy. Just told you.
That's what I'm telling you. I'm breathing together. What you talking about? I can't tell him too. Anybody tell him but him. He don't. Show's got that Swiss crap in there, that white stuff right there, that crap.
Where is it?
Right there. That's why we don't like it. It's junk right there.
Come on now,
My bad.
man.
My bad.
What a sweet stuff.
Why is so Play-Doh?
Right here. Oh, yeah, there you go.
Want to taste some more brownie?
That's just too much chocolate.
What an ashtray is.
I don't like chocolate like that. That's just too much chocolate.
I don't like it with the Swiss. Y'all can have that one.
That's pretty good.
What, the Swiss?
No. They got too much chocolate. That
I
brownie
like
just too much.
I like this one better than that one. How you? That don't even make sense.
Oh, it makes sense.
No.
We're trying this drink I made
That wasn't
with
that
vodka.
It don't taste half bad.
Just busting.
I like this one
What,
better than
that one?
anything.
Yo.
That's trash.
No, they got too much chocolate.
No. That's the only one.
It's way better. I feel
Was that mine?
Y'all should got the honey bun and the nutty butter type.
Mean
They ain't
City.
had none. They
Oh,
only
we
had
saw
them
that.
two kinds.
Some down.
Friday, try-day. We got anything else to try? We got anything else new?
Them candy bars
Which candy bars?
in the pantry.
You want to try the candy bars? Candy bars, candy bars, candy bars.
Some candy bars.
Friday, try-day.
I'm trying to put this in the freezer for me.
What am I gonna do?
Ready to come get in? You want to tell me feel here? I can get the head out there.
Just for me right here.
Cocoa Pebbles.
Did mine.
Candy bar. Cocoa Pebbles.
PBs.
Cocoa Pebbles.
PBs.
What y'all thinking?
PBs.
No, I don't know. You just
Gotta smell it first, man. Gotta smell it.
You right, but
You gotta try it. You wanna try it?
oh, it's like this,
I should know.
It smell like cocoa pepper.
Should know.
It do.
You'll never get down. I'm again.
Trash.
You'll never get down. I'm again.
You know, it feel like they try to make what it called. What's the name?
Oh
God
my.
doggy, what is it? God doggy, what is it?
Oh my.
Crunch.
No, it ain't the crunch. It ain't the
But the
crunch.
crunch bottom gonna cereal.
It ain't the crunch.
Okay, it was a paper towel.
Real cut down.
Mm-mm.
Look about that.
Do we got caramel in it?
I don't know, man. I don't like it. Friday. You don't like these?
I was the
Trash.
first one to throw it on the table.
Hey, these are horrible.
Water.
Ooh.
Who's in the drink?
That ain't it. That ain't it. That ain't it. That ain't nowhere near it.
Friday. Buy water. Bring them else out there to try.
Do what I think about it.
All those. Friday. Anything else in there? Should be trying to think of
I know
something.
what y'all
I knew it.
What?
I'm trying to think of something.
This junk Balussin.
I'm trying some guinea pig bullshit.
This junk Balussin. I don't eat mangoes.
I know what she finna do.
So church.
The sauce is yours.
You don't care, man.
Oh.
The sauce is yours.
That's the camera for.
The sauce
It
is
ain't
yours.
medicine.
That's so good.
It ain't like medicine. You ain't like you
That's so
gotta
good.
take
The
it 3
sauce
times a
is yours.
day.
Cause
The sauce is yours.
Alright, put a top on both of them so we can put that in the freezer for y'all. It's gonna bless our spirit. We put that in the freezer. I guarantee you. It's gonna bless my spirit.
Yes, sir.
I sure wish I had my weapon jigger. I'll do it. Y'all think
That losing my reset.
I'll do it.
Oh, all right.
See, I knew it. I knew it was gonna be
Put
some
the top on
TikTok
top. Put it in the
moves.
refrigerator. Put
We
the top
finna
on
see who
top.
can eat the candy the fastest.
Well, if you want to make it to a contest, if that's what you're trying to do, but I don't think that's what you were trying to do.
Yeah, I'm gonna win. So I'm gonna usually. Oh my Jesus! I don't eat
ice cream.
mangoes.
Give me the ice cream. Hey, Nick.
Put mine somewhere where it can freeze.
Yeah, put mine up too.
Nick, I'm putting it in the freezer.
It ain't gonna freeze. It freezes right there in the front of the refrigerator.
Y'all doing no shit.
Come on.
It
you
been
gonna
right
do me
there.
like
That's
that?
why it's so soft.
Don't do me like
Dude,
that.
that's just the brand
Don't
ice
do
cream.
me like that.
This whole ass ice cream.
If you say so, hey.
Die.
Open them 3 roll-ups.
Open them. Open them. She said
After my
open them,
homies with
nigga.
glove on me. All right.
They open them.
Open it.
Oh, open it.
So what we ready to do? Are we ready
We're
to
gonna
do it?
do a challenge, Daddy.
We'll do a
We
challenge.
gotta wrap the mango and the fruit roll up down it. Yeah, I thought so.
Wrap the mango, the
Yeah.
two mango.
Yep.
This nigga saying the fruit mango.
And you gotta dress it.
Yep.
Dress it.
Dress it.
Yeah, dress it in the top. He
Who
ain't
can
see.
do it the fastest, but
See.
you gotta get all your ingredients.
Who can do it the fastest? Man, don't do me like this. Don't do me like this, cause you know
Alright,
I start.
Wait a minute.
I will start. You know, it's doing
Y'all
stuff.
better hurry
right.
up.
Wait a minute.
I will just start. You know. You know.
You gotta put
You
the
know.
chamoy and the tahini
You
on
know.
there and everything.
You know.
The shit is the.
Hurry up.
Wait a minute. Cause wait a minute.
You know.
Look, I done cut up to you.
Oh, y'all gotta do it?
Yeah.
I didn't know
I really gotta put this first, nigga.
you got the thing in there.
Nigga, move. Yo, hey, nigga. Big one.
No, you didn't.
You what?
Look at that. Look at that.
Yo, bro.
Look at that. Y'all see it? Mine been done. She came in here through daddy hands.
Man, bro, I just cleaned this table, cuz.
Man, we supposed to eat this?
Man, bro. This was supposed to be a rest. I gotta try with the tahini.
Wow, this is spicy. Something.
You supposed to be spicy. That nigga said, why is this?
What you didn't think it would be spicy?
He did that thing that year on TikTok.
You good, boy?
He said, why is this spicy?
You straight?
Give us a paper towel. Give us a paper towel. Oh my God.
They be lying on TikTok, cuz.
Good. No, nigga, no.
That is horrible.
Disgusting.
Oh my Jesus.
Ooh.
You straight?
Don't
What type of person would settle for that?
Don't put me to that position. I don't like that. I don't know.
This water. Ooh.
Straighten it up. There you go.
Oh my God, that's horrible.
You got a what name?
You
Okay, as high I can get.
gotta make sure you leave that clip in there.
I am.
Well, can't you some water? You got some more fruit water so we can